Over the next few months, the price of Tesla's stock is projected to undergo a significant upturn, and the source of this movement may be completely unexpected. Greetings and happy return to everything Tesla stock. As it happens, Tesla has been developing a top-secret scheme that has the potential to alter everything. But the corporation may have to pay a hefty price for what Tesla is planning. So what exactly is this trillion-dollar secret weapon? We're going to dig deep into Tesla's covert weapon, which has the potential to generate trillions of dollars in revenue in the near future. So make sure you don't miss a second of this one. Remember to like and subscribe to the video while you're here to support the channel's growth. Okay, enough small talk. Let's get started. For the first time, in addition to electric vehicles and moon landings, Tesla has focused on urging the global community to adopt sustainable energy. Additionally, Musk is not taking this ambition lightly. He wants to see his goods at the vanguard of this energy transformation. From a more Tesla-focused angle, during the past few years, Elon Musk and Tesla have been attempting to gain traction in the U.S. energy market. Although the corporation has undertaken other overseas energy projects, which we will discuss momentarily, we will begin with what could be the largest and most important action to yet. Apart from the initial letters of their names, Tesla and Texas have a gigantic facility situated on thousands of acres of land. Tesla is well known for being the epicenter of the American energy industry. Tesla's Gigafactory Texas is only one more piece of the puzzle, even though it has the potential to become one of the wonders of the world due to its sheer scale and the amount of technology and innovation that will be coming through the facility. It goes without saying that Tesla's future is largely dependent on the Texas Gigafactory, and the company's and its stock price's success is directly tied to the factory's performance. Thus, it is unquestionably worthwhile to monitor it. Over the past several months, Tesla has been particularly focused on extending the limits of its production capacity. To boost output by 50 to 100% by the end of the year, the corporation has been making many facility expansions and upgrades to almost all of its operations. Musk has stated that the Texas Gigafactory will require more growth, despite the widespread perception that it is the largest facility possible. The CEO of Tesla reportedly stated that the company might want to extend the factory's length to 1 mile. Given his track record, there's no doubt that Musk may be using this as a ploy to acquire bragging rights. It's hard to dispute, however, that Giga Texas's growth might tip the scales in favor of Tesla, its stock price, and its investors. Rumor has claimed that the plant is currently producing between 2,000 and 5,000 units every week. Musk has said that within a few months following the expansion, this output rate would double or triple. If these plans materialize, that is, this may turn out to be a component of Tesla's covert weapon, which over the next several years might generate trillions of dollars for the business. However, it's possible that Tesla has far more in mind than simply growing its current enormous facility. Better than the Giga Tex. Yes, you did hear that correctly. Even though Tesla has become well known in the EV industry, electric cars have never been the company's primary focus. It might even be smaller than you believe. Early in 2021, it was learned that Tesla was entering the Texas energy and power market in addition to the Gigafactory. For a very long time, this project was one of Tesla's best-kept secrets. Building an enormous battery to link Texas's already frail electrical infrastructure was part of the project. The business overseeing the project was registered under the name Gambit Energy, according to reports at the time. But as time went on, it became clear that it was actually a Tesla subsidiary. There were rumors that Gambit was constructing an energy storage facility capable of storing more than 100 megawatts. On a good day, this battery could theoretically light up 20,000 dwellings. This is the point at which Texas's expansion becomes relevant. Since Texas has never had a particularly powerful power structure, the power plant needs to be fixed if Tesla plans to grow any further. Although the battery project was sufficiently concealed, a well-executed version of this project may fundamentally alter the company's operations. Building utility-scale batteries is a great way to store extra solar and wind energy at the base level. As the cherry on top, users may be able to make money from it. With the help of these batteries, customers can store extra electricity that they can sell back to the grid at higher prices and during periods of high demand. In this manner, you may help the power system maintain a more steady supply of electricity while also providing people with an additional source of money. It should come as no surprise that Tesla has always attempted to expand into the home energy technology space. Musk unveiled the Powerwall, a battery product manufactured by the business. Musk was back in the spotlight the next year, this time to introduce a solar roof. It never really took off, even with all the money spent on research and redesigning many of the incarnations of this product. Nevertheless, you can rely on Elon Musk to go beyond. Beyond energy provision at the consumer level, Tesla is considering entering the electrical grid. For Tesla and its investors, the Tesla Power Pack and the larger Mega Pack could be the keys to opening a lot of doors right now. How are we so sure of ourselves? Indeed, back in 2017, Tesla conducted a project of a similar nature in South Australia. This battery facility was the largest in the world at the time, producing up to 100 megawatts of electricity. Moreover, Tesla has already started operating its battery packs in South California, providing an estimated 20 megawatts of power to the grid. As of right now, there is no confirmation regarding the Texas Megapack's capacity from Tesla. Nevertheless, you can pretty much count on this one will be huge. Even though Tesla has been able to keep this one a secret for so long, once it is finished, the business may make trillions of dollars in income. If the cost of constructing such projects worries you, remember that Tesla is more interested in what large-scale battery projects could do in the future than in the state of the world as it exists today. Based on study, if Tesla's energy business continues at this rate, it might contribute approximately 30% of the company's yearly income in the coming years. Interestingly, it's currently as high as 6%. Tesla's growth in Texas has even the competition on edge. According to Daniel Finn Foley, head of energy storage at Wood Mackenzie Power and Renewables, Tesla's energy storage company is growing at a significantly quicker rate than their car industry, and this growth rate is only expected to increase. They are fiercely competing on price and are well acknowledged as a player. Given Texas's current political climate, many opponents and investors expressed unease when Elon Musk abruptly showed interest in the state. Tesla stands to gain significantly from the potential expansion of its gigafactory in Texas and the potential preparation of the Megapack for grid integration. First off, reliable electricity will no longer be a concern for the company's manufacturing in terms of local power. This could lower production costs and allow these companies to produce at an exponentially higher rate. To put it another way, Tesla might be preparing to meet all of its output targets for less money. Tesla's profitability are expected to increase as a result of meeting the high demand for its automobiles through increased production. If that occurs, there's a good chance that the price of Tesla stock would skyrocket and additional investors will naturally get interested in the business. However, if we move away from automobiles and toward energy, there are a ton of other things that might be done with the megapacks that Tesla is allegedly constructing in Texas. It will not be long before Tesla dominates the Texas power market or until Musk launches his own power firm, given that he has started to relocate many of his business operations to Texas. Texas has an abundance of natural gas, oil, solar, and wind resources. Tesla will come in to convert all of this into renewable energy sources. Since they have electric vehicles, they have some experience with this already. Tesla will have established a monopoly on the market and be leading a new industry that will consistently benefit the firm in the long run by the time other corporations start to realize the power move that it may be preparing. It's possible that the sustainable energy and power supply industries in the U.S. and abroad will experience the same level of success as Tesla did in the early days of its dominance over the electric vehicle market, which led to record-breaking stock price increases. These covered initiatives have the potential to yield trillion-dollar profits and trigger a sharp increase in the stock price in the upcoming years, provided Tesla manages to play act.